Case study how Google, Amazon, and Netflix design their organizations. Organizational design is a critical factor in the success of global companies. Some of the world's biggest businesses, Google, Amazon, and Netflix, have each taken unique approaches to structuring their organizations. These companies have adapted their designs to enhance innovation, agility, and scalability, allowing them to dominate their respective industries. In this lesson, we will explore their organizational structures, key design principles, and what businesses can learn from them. A flexible and innovation-driven structure. Google is known for its flat and flexible organizational structure, which fosters creativity and rapid innovation. The company operates with a matrix structure, meaning employees often work across multiple teams rather than in rigid hierarchies. Key features of Google's organizational design. 1. Team-based and cross-functional collaboration. Employees can work on multiple projects simultaneously, ensuring that expertise is shared across departments. 2. Decentralized decision-making. Teams are given the autonomy to make decisions, which speeds up innovation and product development. 3. Strong company culture and employee freedom. Google emphasizes a culture of creativity, offering perks like flexible work schedules, open office spaces, and time for personal projects. Benefits and challenges. Encourages innovation and rapid problem solving. Provides employee autonomy and job satisfaction. Can sometimes lead to confusion over responsibilities. May cause inefficiencies in larger projects due to multiple teams working on similar problems. Key takeaway. Google's flexible and decentralized approach works best for companies focused on continuous innovation and research-driven development. Amazon, a hierarchical yet agile machine. Amazon follows a hierarchical and customer-centric structure, allowing for extreme efficiency and scalability. Unlike Google, Amazon has a more rigid hierarchy, but it balances this with a focus on speed and customer obsession. Key features of Amazon's organizational design. 1. Hierarchical leadership and accountability. Every department has clearly defined leadership roles, ensuring accountability and efficiency. 2. The two-pizza rule for teams. Amazon structures teams to be small enough that they can be fed with 2 pizzas, keeping decision-making agile. 3. Customer-centric and data-driven decision-making. Business decisions are based on metrics, analytics, and customer data, ensuring continuous improvement. Benefits and challenges. Allows for rapid scalability and efficiency. Clear accountability minimizes decision-making conflicts. Can feel bureaucratic and limit employee creativity. Pressure on employees due to high performance expectations. Not as design would. Key takeaway. Amazon's highly structured yet agile design makes it a great model for businesses looking to scale while maintaining customer focus. Netflix, a culture of freedom and responsibility. Netflix takes a unique approach to organizational design by emphasizing a culture-first philosophy. The company follows a loosely structured yet highly accountable framework, prioritizing employee freedom and decision-making responsibility. Key features of Netflix's organizational design. 1. Minimal hierarchy and maximum ownership. Netflix avoids micromanagement and trusts employees to make critical decisions. 2. High-performance expectations. Employees are expected to perform at the highest level with no tolerance for mediocrity. 3. Radical transparency and open communication. Employees have access to nearly all company information, fostering a culture of trust. Benefits and challenges. Encourages high levels of autonomy and accountability. Attracts top-tier talent who thrive in high-performance environments. Not ideal for individuals who need structured guidance. Can create job insecurity due to high expectations. Key takeaway. Netflix's model works best for organizations that value high employee autonomy and self-motivation. Lessons for businesses. Each of these companies offers unique insights into organizational design. For innovative businesses, follow Google's flexible and cross-functional model. For high-efficiency, customer-focused companies, adopt Amazon's structured yet agile approach. For creative, high-performance teams, Netflix's culture-first strategy may be ideal. Understanding these models helps organizations choose the right structure based on their industry, culture, and long-term goals.